We get CAD renders of the Google Pixel 3, and there may be some solutions to the notch. Samsung is going all out with the display and party tricks with the upcoming Galaxy S10, and if you thought that FaceID is cool, wait until you see what Vivo is cooking up. I'm Jaime Rivera. I apologize for the lighting. We're in Paris, and hotel rooms here are small if you want to be close to the Eiffel Tower, so fitting here was a nightmare. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin not with deals, but with interesting products as we just see the launch of the Oppo F3, which are a new pair of wireless headphones that are actually not the same as everything else. First of all, they're priced at a little bit over $100, but they sport Qualcomm's new technology that actually allows both headphones to be fully independent, meaning that one is not driving information to the other, meaning that they are a ton more battery efficient. It has a lot to do with the enhancements of Bluetooth 5, by the way, and everything that's coming later. So yeah, this has just been announced. We will keep you posted as they will launch apparently in August. Now let's talk about Motorola, as the company has just scheduled an event to happen in Chicago, which is weird, in their headquarters, on August 2nd at 3 p.m., and we're already speculating over what we're getting. It could be the Moto Z3 Force, or whatever the company is cooking up. We also hear that there's probably even a Moto mod that's already capable of 5G. Whatever the case may be, stay tuned. Now let's talk about Vivo, as the company is apparently cooking up something interesting when it comes to facial recognition. They're working on a new 3D sensing technology that has up to 300,000 sensors. I'm just hoping that it doesn't include a notch, but apparently with all those amount of sensors, unless I got a typo in the script, that's a ton of technology. I doubt that it's going to be something that swivels up and swivels down, but you never know. Now let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S10, and I think we're actually talking about the Plus. The rumors are kind of vague, but it seems that that device will be larger than the Galaxy Note 9, the Note 8 as well, but I think that it just has to do with the fact that the company is going to play a little with the display technology, hopefully not with a notch again, but the whole idea is to bring us a taller display on the same chassis, which would probably also mean retaining the same footprint of the Galaxy S9 Plus that we currently have and that I currently like. Whatever the case may be, stay tuned. I would actually love to see a change. And finally, the most interesting news today have to do with the Google Pixel 3 and 3 XL, mostly the Pixel 3. We have CAD renders of the phone. We noticed that the design that we've seen in the back with the single camera apparently will remain the same. We also hear that we will be getting dual cameras at the front, but that we will be getting the 2:1 aspect ratio on this phone, meaning it's, going to be more up to date with the current trends, which is great. Think about it as I still feel that it's, dated. And that was my impression with the Google Pixel 2. It's the reason why I went with the Google Pixel 2 XL. But let us know in the comments, what do you think? Do you like this design? Would you recommend other changes? In my case, again, I would like a little more, modern, daring changes, but that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch yesterday's Pocketnow Daily up here, and our thoughts on the camera of the Huawei P20 Pro down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.